Hi everyone, in this video, we will try to fix Instagram try again error from your app. Unfortunately, if you're experiencing any variation of this message, it means your account is temporarily action blocked on Instagram. So we will try to do these steps in order for us to fix that. So from your settings, go to General and tap your iPhone storage and look for your Instagram app. So just scroll down a bit, and if you can see it, then tap on it. And all you have to do is to tap offload app in order for you to clear some cache from your Instagram application. Or you can delete your app and reinstall an updated version. So you can go ahead and check on your App Store or on your Play Store. So you can go back and find your App Store or Play Store and then just write or look for Instagram application. So you can reinstall, or if your account needs to be updated, you just tap update and wait for the changes, or refresh your Instagram app and see if it works better. However, if these are still not working and still showing that you can't like, you can still post, or you cannot still comment, just open your Instagram app, tap your profile on the bottom right, and tap the horizontal lines on upper right. Tap for settings and privacy and look for the help button. So this is the last resort that we can do. So once you see it, just tap help and then tap report a problem, and just tap once again report a problem and tap include and continue. So you can take a screenshot of whatever you're experiencing from your account in order for you to explain that you are having issues with your account, and let them know that you're unable to like, comment, make reels, etc., or whatever your issues are experiencing from your Instagram app. And then once you're done explaining to them and sending the screenshot or pictures, you can tap send, found on the upper right corner of your phone. So once the issue has been reported, all we have to do is to wait for Instagram to give us an update. That's it for now. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.